With the box plot and the 5-number summary, they go together. Now, in a previous video, I did a stem and leaf plot, and I actually had the 5-number summary in there, which consists of the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. And it's right here for reference. So if I want to go ahead and list those all off in a nice structured order, the minimum was 2, the first quartile was 7, the median 16, the third quartile 32, and the maximum is 52 in this case. The minimum is the lowest value. Q1 is the first quartile, the lower quartile. 25% is below, 75% is above. It's also known as the 25th percentile. Median is the middle number. It's also known as Q2. 50% below, 50% above. It's known as the 50th percentile. Q3, the third quartile, also known as the upper quartile. 75% below, 25% above, and is also known as the 75th percentile. And you've heard me say percentile a few times now. Percentile means the percent below. And then the maximum is the largest value. This can be displayed on a simplified box plot, where the box is going to be Q1, the median, and Q3. And then the min and the max will be the whiskers it extends to. So in this case, I would go from 7 to 32. So again, I'm just approximating here from 7 to 32. And then there'd be a line in the middle to signify the median of 16. So about right here. And then the whiskers. The max would extend all the way up to 52. The minimum would extend all the way down to 2. And so from here, you'd be able to see the shape as well. Now, if you're going to tilt your head, you would tilt your head to the left, because remember, you want to look from smallest to largest, left to right. This is different than a stem and leaf plot, where for a stem and leaf plot, you tilt your head to the right on screen to see this is skewed to the right. On this one, it is still skewed to the right. You have to look, again, from smallest to largest, left to right. Half the data is clumped together on the lower and the left-hand side, and then the rest of it is going to be skewed off to the right. So vertical box plots are a little bit more interesting to read. You do have to be careful overall. But again, it consists of the 5-number summary: the minimum, Q1, the median, Q3, and the maximum. So you may be asked about the IQR, that's interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1. You might be asked about the range, which is the max minus min. Or you may be asked to compare box plot to box plot.